Welcome back to my channel, Madden Language, and we're going to discuss synthetic division. So let's start. So first example tayo, what if we have this one, x squared plus 1 ng 5x plus 1, di-divide mo siya ng x plus 3. Synthetic division, napakadali lang niya siyang gamitin kaysa dun sa normal na division of polynomials. So gagawin nyo lang, kukunin ko lang to. Okay. Copy paste ko lang tong number 1 dito. Pag x plus 3 yung divisor mo, dapat walang coefficient ng x na to. Hindi gagana yung synthetic division pag may coefficient yung divisor dun sa variable. So, x plus 3, kung positive 3 yan, ang magiging divisor mo dito ay negative 3. Papakita ko sa inyo. Nalagay ko dito negative 3. Gawa ka dito ng ganyan. At itong x square, so kukunin nyo lang yung coefficient. Ang coefficient ng x square dito ay 1. Coefficient to ay 5, positive 5, at coefficient to ay 1. No? So technique dito is just bring down muna to. So that will be 1, negative 3. Gagawin nyo, negative 3 times mo ng 1, that will be negative 3. Diba? Ngayon, sa normal na pag-divide ng mga polynomials, nagma-minus tayo. But this one, mag-add tayo. So that will be 5 plus negative 3, that will be 2. Diba? Negative 3 times mo ng 2, that will be around negative 6. So negative 3 times 2, dito mapupunta. So 1 plus negative 6 is negative 5. Mhm. So, ano ng final answer natin? Final answer natin, that will be, ito. Kung x square yan, magiging ano na tayo dito? X na lang. So that will be x plus 2, tapos minus, remainder na to minus 5 over yung divisor na x plus 3. Ito yung number 1 natin. Okay? So I'll just get the next one. Another example, paano pag 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 9x minus 20? Di-divide mo na x minus 5. So take note, x minus 5 siya. So gagawin mong positive 5 na yung nandito. Okay? So, kasi kanina, di ba? Positive 3 magiging negative 3. Kung negative x minus 5 naman to, magiging positive 5. So kunin mo lahat ng mga coefficients. That will be 2, negative 11, positive 9, at negative 20. Okay? So for that one, gagawin natin dito is baba mo yung 2 like that. So 5 times 2, that will be 10. Dito mo nalagay yung 10. Negative 11 plus 10. Add tayo So that will be negative 1. 5 times mo ng negative 1, that will be negative 5. 9 times negative, sorry, 9 plus negative 5, that will be 4. 5 times 4, that will be 20. Right? So negative 20 plus 20 is 0. Wala tayong remainder. Kung x cube ka nagsimula, maging x square na lang to. So final answer natin, that will be 2x square minus x plus 4 at wala nang remainder kasi pag naglagay ka naman ng 0 over the divisor, 0 naman din yung magiging sagot So ito yung sagot natin for number 2. Easy, di ba? Let's have number 3. Let's have the third example. So 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x minus 6. Tapos yan daw, divide natin ng x plus 3. Kung plus 3 to, magiging negative 3 yung lalagyan natin dito. Take note, dapat walang coefficient to ha. So gawa ka ng ganito ulit. So that will be 2, 4, negative 3, and negative 6. Ngayon, bring down mo yung 2. Negative 3 times 2, that will be negative 6. 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. Negative 3 plus 6, that will be positive 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 times mo ng 3, that will be negative 9. Diba? So negative 6 plus mo ng negative 9, that will be negative 15. So 2x cubed tayo. Nagsimula tayo sa cube. Yung pinakamataas na degree natin ay 3. Magiging 2 na lang yung magiging degree natin. So that will be 2x square minus mo ng x, sorry, 2x. 2x square minus mo ng 2x plus mo ng 3 minus mo ng 15 over mo ng x plus 3. And that's for number 3. Okay? Dali lang, di ba? Marami pa tayong examples. How about number 4? The yung polynomial natin na dito is 2x cubed, yung dividend pala, 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 13x minus 44. I-divide natin siya sa divisor ng x minus 5. So dahil negative 5 to, minus 5, lalagyan natin dito 5. Gawa ko ulit ng ganito. Okay, lagyan mo yung mga coefficient. So 2, negative 11, positive 13, minus 1 ng 44. Okay, ah, na yun. So bring down 2, 5 times 2, that will be 10. Negative 11 plus mo ng 10, that will be around negative 1. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. 13 minus 13 plus negative 5, that will be 8. 5 times 8, that it will be 40. Negative 44 plus 40, that will be negative 4. So, ang cube ka nagsimula, magiging square na lang. So, that will be around like this. 2x square minus mo ng x plus mo ng 8 minus ka ng 4 over x minus 5. Mm. Ganun na siya kasimple, di ba? Okay, let's go to the next example. Paano naman kapag ganito? Ito madali lang to. 2x square plus 3x minus 4, di-divide mo siya ng x minus 2. So, negative 2 yan, positive 2 yung gagamitin natin dito. Gawa ko ulit na ganyan. Kunin mo yung mga coefficient. So, that will be 2, 3, and negative 4. Okay? So, okay, bring down 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Negative 4 plus 14, that will be 10. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali. So, ang sagot mo dito, kung nag-x square ka, magiging x na lang siya. 2x plus mo ng 7 plus 10 over the divisor, which is x minus 2. Hmm. Yan lang siya kasimple. Let's go into example number 6. Okay, so what if ibang variable lang n yung gagamitin? Same lang naman din. Make sure yung coefficient dito sa divisor, 1 lang yan. Okay? So, plus 3 dapat magiging negative 3 na siya. Okay. Purihin ko lang itong dot dito para hindi nakakalito. Gawa ko ulit ng ganito. So, that will be 1 ang coefficient mo dito. 5. Oops. Careful ka dito. Di ba dapat 4, 3, 2, 1? Wala ditong square, di ba? So, pwede ka maglagay dito ba ng 0 and square. So, yung coefficient mo niyan ay 0. Careful. Kailangan ka maglagay ng placeholder, which is 0. Kasi dapat 4, 3, 2, 1. So, sunod ay negative 6. At dito ay 3. Same naman din, di ba? Pag nag-divide ka ng normal polynomials, may nilalagay kang placeholder pag hindi siya magkasunod. Okay, let's continue. So, bring down 1 here. Negative 3 times 1, that will be negative 3. 5 plus negative 3, that will be 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. 0 plus negative 6 is negative 6. And negative 3 times 1 and negative 6 is 18. Negative 6 plus 18 is 12. Negative 3 times 12 is around negative 36. 3 plus negative 36, that will be around negative 33. Check natin. So, pag nagsimula ka dito sa 4, cube na lang to. That will be n cube plus mo ng n square minus mo ng 6n minus, plus dito kasi. Tapos minus mo ng 33 ng divisor na n plus 3. And there you have it. Ito na yung final answer natin. Let's go to number 7. Sorry, I made a mistake. Nakalimutan ko ilagay yung 2 dito. So, ito na yung final answer. N cube plus 2n square minus 6n plus 12 minus 133 over n plus 3. Let's have another one. So, x cubed minus 125, divide mo ng x minus 5. So, minus 5 yan. 5 lang lalagay mo dito. So, gawa ka ng ganito. Wala tayong square and x dito. So, 1 muna. 1 yan. X square natin wala. So, 0x square. That will be 0. Wala tayong x din dito. So, 0. So, 0 ulit. Tapos dito ay negative 125. So, bring down 1. And that will be 1. Here, 5 times 1 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 0 plus 25 is 25. 5 times 25 is 125. Okay, so 0. Wala tayong remainder. So, the final answer, nagsimula ka sa x cube, maging x square na lang siya. Coefficient yan. So, x squared. Kasi pag naglagay ng 1 dito, same lang naman din eh. So, no need na. Plus mo ng 5x, plus mo ng 25, at ayun na yan. Any final answer natin. Hindi ka na magkalagay ng 0 over the divisor kasi same lang naman din yung lalabas. Let's have the last example. Let's have the final example. 5x to the fourth plus 2x squared minus 15x plus 10. I-divide mo lahat yan sa x plus 2. Mapapansin mo walang x cube dito, so mag-plus ka ng 0x cube as a placeholder. So, nagiging ng ganito. At mapansin mo, positive 2 yan. So, you put negative 2 here. At kunin mo yung mga coefficient, that will be 5, 0, kasi yung sa x cube natin, 2, and negative 15. At dito naman yung 10. Okay? So bring down 5 to. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Plus mo yan, that will be negative 10. Negative 2 times negative 10 is 20. 2 plus 20 is 22. Negative 2 plus negative 2 times 22 is negative 44. Pag inad mo yan, that will be negative 59. Right? Yeah, I hope I'm correct. Of course. Negative 2 times negative 59, negative 108. Tama. Ay, sorry, positive na. Positive, sorry. Positive na siya. Positive 108. Mhm. Kasi may pattern eh. Negative, positive, negative, positive. Add mo yan, that will be 118. So, final answer natin dito, nagsimula ka sa 4, di ba? To the fourth power, maging cube na lang. 5x cube minus 10x square plus mo ng 22x minus mo ng 59 plus ka ng 118 over mo dun sa divisor na x plus 2. So, ito yung final answer. Mhm. Sorry, I made a mistake again. So 59 times 2 pala is 118. So this should be 118. 118 to. Tapos ito 128. So lalagay mo dapat dito 128. Mhm. So final answer natin dito is 5x cubed minus 10x squared plus 22x minus 59 plus 128 over x plus 2. Kasi 59 times 2 pala ay 118. Okay, I stand corrected. And that's the end of the lesson on as the end of the lesson about synthetic division. So madali lang siya. If you have questions or in need of clarifications, please comment down. Again, my name is James, your math and language tutor. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!